Just like a dream, yeah, you and me. Can't help but feel it's so unreal. Stay high with you. Your silhouette makes me forget all of my fears. Just disappeared when I'm with you. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Hey, what's up? It's JJ and welcome to another video. Today we are doing an all matte fall look using the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette, and I'm starting off with a shade Played Cool. That's a warm matte caramel as my transition shade. And with a fluffy blending brush, I'm going all above the crease area in windshield wiper motion and adding just a little bit at a time and building the color gradually. You don't want to have too much color in one specific area. It will just make the blending process that much longer and harder. So by building up every shade little by little, you have more control. Another tip for smooth blending process is to hold your brush as low as it's comfortable to you. And just blend away.
Being haunted, you're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like it. I'm giving to.
Next, I'm going in with the shade Talk Dirty. It's a chocolate truffle shade, and I'm going over the first shade with the same blending brush, just trying to keep it a bit lower and not go too much above the crease. Also with a windshield wiper motion, I'm dragging the color all the way from the outer to the inner corner.
I'm coming in. The fantasy, it never leaves when I'm with you. Ooh, I give you a taste. Now.
Next, I'm dipping into Vampy Vixen. It's a lovely red brick shade. And I'm packing it on all over my lid using a flatter blending brush. This shade just screams fall to me.
Dreams of being haunted. You're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like it.
I'm actually not really an all matte kind of girl. I just love shimmery shades so much and wear them on everyday basis. But this fall, something got into me, and recently I'm having an all matte look at least once a week.
Just like a dream, yeah, you and me. Can't help but feel it's so unreal. Stay high with you. Your silhouette makes me forget all of my fears just disappeared.
With a clean brush, I'm just going over my crease area, making sure that everything is smooth, blended, and that there are no harsh lines. For the outer corners, I'm going in with the shade Sparks Fly. That's a medium dark, warm walnut shade. And I'm using a smaller, more precise blending brush to deepen that outer V and get a bit of smoky effect.
Being haunted, you're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like it. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and be the best that you can be, then you can have it all.
And once again, with a clean brush, I'm going over my crease area to blend a bit more. Then again, I'm taking a bit more of Vampy Vixen and going right in that crease area to make sure everything blends together. With this look, I just really don't want any harsh lines. Not adding any more color, just smoothing out the shades obsessively. For the lower lashes, I'm starting off with Vampy Vixen and I'm dragging the color all below the lash line.
Dreams dreams of being haunted. You're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like you do. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can have it.
Then on a flatter brush, I'm taking Sparks Fly. And this time I'm going more tightly to the lash line and not as blown out as the previous shade. I'm taking Play It Cool to blend the first two shades together and just smoke out the lower lashes.
It's like a dream, yeah, you and me. Can't help I feel it's so unreal. Stay high with you. Your silhouette makes me forget.
I needed something to brighten my inner corners and brow bone, and since this palette doesn't have a white matte shade, I'm taking Light of the Party to do the job.
You can have your cake, just love me like you do. Oh, love me like you do.
For the lips, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pinky Nude lipstick in the shade Truth. I've also put on some Better Than Sex mascara and a Esquito black liner in my waterline. And that's the finished look. Hope you enjoyed it and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out any future videos. See you next Friday. Bye!
Then you can have it all. You're moving closer. I feel the heat. Hands on your chest. You're all I want. Now keep me warm. Just like a dream. I'm coming.